Scott has 2 counters. Danny has 7 counters. Kim has 3 counters. Share the counters evenly in order to find the mean number of counters. The mean number of counters is, so Scott has 2, Danny has 7, Kim has 3. And if we add them all together, we have 12 counters. We then have to do 12 divided by the 3 people, and we know that 12 divided by 3 is 4. Find the mean of each set of numbers. We've got A, B, and C. Okay, so I'm going to add A up. So 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 7 plus 4 plus 4 is 20. And I've got 5 sets of data. So you've got 5 numbers, so 20 divided by 5 is 4. For B, I'm going to do a running total and add them all up. So the 6 cards I have equals to 54. So 54 divided by 6 equals 9. And C, if I keep a running total and I add all of these up carefully, I have 51 in total. Divide that by 10, so I've got 10 cards, equals 5.1. Okay, slide number 4. Joanne collects football cards. The table shows how many cards is collected over 4 years. Well, if I add up all the number of cards across the years, I have 344 cards, and 344 divided by the 4 years equals to, let me put that in bus stop methods. Okay, how many falls in 3? 0, carry the 3 down. How many falls in 34? Is 8 with a remainder of 2. How many falls in 24? 6. So the mean is 86. Okay, slide 5. The mean of 4 numbers is 9. What is the total of the 4 numbers? So something plus something plus something plus something equals something. But when divided by 4 equals 9. Now we can use the inverse to work out that 9 times 4 equals 36. So something plus something plus something plus something equals 36. So we can now kind of work out what the 4 numbers may be. And for B, it says write an example of what the 4 numbers could be if none of them are 9. So one number could be 30, another number could be 31. One number could be 30, another number could be 3, another number could be 2, and the last one could be 1, because altogether they equal 36. Now, there's going to be so many different solutions. For example, the numbers could be 29, 4, 2 and 1. It could be 28, 5, 2 and 1. It could be 27, 6, 2 and 1. There's so many different possibilities. But as long as all of the 4 numbers equal to number 36. Slide number 6. 6 numbers are written on cards. The mean of the numbers is 12. Fill in the missing 2 numbers if one is double the other. So I've got the numbers here and I've got 2 blanks. They equal something, but when divided by 6, because there'll be 6 numbers, they equal the mean of 12. Again, if I use the inverse, so 12 times 6 equals 72. So I know all the 6 numbers added together will equal 72. Now if I add up the 4 numbers which are shown, so 13 plus 4 plus 16 plus 6, I get 39. Now if I do 72 minus 39, and I have to exchange, I'll get an answer of 33. So I know that the 2 missing numbers must equal to 33 when added together. But it says the 2 missing numbers if one is double the other. Well, if I do 20 plus 10, because I know that 20 is more than 10, well, that only equals 30, so it can't be that because the answer needs to be 33. However, 22 plus 11 equals 33, and 22 is double 11, so that is our answer, 22 and 11. It doesn't matter which order you write, if you write 22 and 11 or 11 and 22. And finally, a group of children have a mean height of 1.4 meters. Another child joins the group. What will happen to the mean if the child is 1.5 meters tall? Well, the mean of the group will increase. What will happen to the mean if the child is 1.4 meters tall? The mean will stay the same. And C, What will happen to the mean if the child is 1.3 meters tall? The mean will decrease.